Whether you're new to the drums or not, it's good if you have some kind of warm-up routine that you do on a regular basis. Obviously, just repetition helps with your muscle memory, and so that's what this video is designed to do. It's a good collection of rudiments for anyone to get started. If you have a drum set, you can play them exactly the way I am. If you only have a snare or a pad or a cardboard box or the floor or something, that's one good thing about the drums is all you need is 2 sticks. It's a pretty cheap instrument, at least to start. So on that note, here we go. Okay, we're all set up to go over our Subdivider warm-up routine now. We're going to use 70 beats per minute for our tempo, but as you get more comfortable, you can speed it up, and the faster you go, it'll become an intermediate or advanced level exercise. Okay, so first we're going to start with our quarter notes. That's going to go right, left, right, left. Nice and easy. We can add our toms. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just do a few measures of this. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Okay, that's our quarter notes. The second one is going to be eighth notes. So now we have 2 beats per note. 1, 2, ready, go. I'll show you an example with just the snare or using the toms. We're going to switch to the toms now. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And whether we move around the kit or not, we want to keep it just as even. A few more with our straight eighth notes. Last one. Yeah, and you will notice you'll speed up, you'll drag a little bit here and there, and that's normal, but we're trying to get it as even as possible. Okay, next we have our eighth triplets, which we're still using a single stroke alternating pattern, but now we're doing triplets. 1, 2, ready, go. Oops, I forgot to start with the snare, so I'll do that last. Let's go to just the snare right now. Last couple measures, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Now 16th notes. Now we have to fit 4 notes into 1 beat. 2, ready, go. Just a single stroke, so this is nice and easy. We're going to do paradiddles next. Now let's go around to the toms in 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A few more bars of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, there was our 16th notes with a single stroke. Now we're going to do 16th note paradiddles. So it's going to be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. But it's the same speed as our last one. Ready, go. We're going to go to the toms in a second here. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. A few more. And then our last one is the 16th note 6 tuplets, which is just the same as 2 triplets put together. So that's going to sound like that. And we're going to start with the snare first, and then we'll add the toms just like we did before. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, go to the toms now, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a few more. Two more. As you may have noticed, I led all of these with my right hand because it's the strong hand for most people. Most people tend to be right-handed. Of course, there's many more patterns and rudiments that you could use for a warm-up routine, but these 6 that we covered today are all great ones to start with, and you can adjust your workout routine however you'd like. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope that it can help to take your warm-up routine to the next level on the drums. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll be glad to get back to you. Until next time, keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.